First, download Yumi.
Then, download Linux Mint. Download any version you like. XFCE is the lightest one. But I'll go with Cinnamon. Then choose the server which is closest to your location. While waiting for Mint to download, plug in USB stick before running Yumi. Minimum storage size of USB drive is 4 GB. Run Yumi. Click I agree. Select your USB drive. Then in step 2 choose Linux Mint. Then browse to the location where you've downloaded the disk image and select it. After making sure that letters in step 3 field is green, click Create and wait for Yumi to finish the installation. Sit back and eat some pie. Or something. Click Next, then No, and finish. Now you have Linux Mint on your USB flash drive. Before you turn on computer you want to install Linux on, plug in USB stick, preferably directly into the motherboard. Choose it as first boot device in BIOS, or from boot menu. This screen will appear. Press Enter on Start Linux Mint, which is selected by default. Now just wait for Linux to start. Eat some pie. Or something. Cinnamon desktop will appear. Just double-click Install Linux Mint. It's a CD icon on desktop. If you want Linux on your computer without any other system and want just to use English, then it's classical next finish installation level of difficulty. Do check install third-party software because you need it for most out-of-the-box stuff. It's basically written there, just read. You're not a pie. Or something. It's easiest for you to let Linux occupy the whole disk. After all, it's not Windows that wants you to be afraid of losing all your data after reinstalling the system. Choose time zone. It will probably be automatically selected if the computer has an internet connection. I don't need to guide you through entering your details here. You're not a pie. Or something. Just make sure you don't forget password. You'll need it later. A lot. Installation will start. Now. You need more than one pie. Or something. Relax and be entertained by slides that are flashing in front of you. It's mesmerizing. Me. I'm going to cut to the end because there is nothing here to do. Going to eat some pie. Or something. When the installation is finished, you'll be prompted with a dialog that'll ask you to continue using the session from USB stick, or restart and use the one you've just installed. Of course, you click Restart now. When asked, just unplug USB stick and press Enter. You can read, You're not a pie. Or something. This is video that shows you how to install Linux Mint, not how to use it. So that's enough for this video. You can continue yourself from here. Because, you're not a pie. Or something.